just the spotlight, pretty bright. And then there's a switch here on the side. This will be the floodlight.
Okay, let's go.
All right, let's take a look in the first box. All right, well, this came from Olight. Olight sent us the PLX dual beam one mission rail mount light. Olight makes some great products. We're going to be happy to review this one. Nice packaging. Let's open this bad boy up. Really go all out with this. All right. So we got the light in there. It came with a nice little kit of books. Nice packaging here. The light itself is very nice. Solid. It's like mainly all metal construction. Let's see what else is in here. Looks like some type of trigger guard. Nicely wrapped USB-C charging cable. Right there is the USB-C charging port. Got the instructions here. Alright, so it says that it has a spotlight and a floodlight on this. Spotlight is 5700K and the floodlight is 6500K. It's cool white. It's LED. Looks like it has a adjustable rail mount here. Also we have, oh, there we go. Okay, so we have just the spotlight. Pretty bright. And then there's a switch here on the side. This will be the floodlight. It's also very bright. Now this is right out of the box. It's not fully charged. Maybe brighter. All in all, this looks like to be a quality light. We're going to mount this up to one of the handguns. Check it out. And check back and we'll give it a review. Make sure you like and subscribe so you get those notifications when those come out. This is the Olight PLX. Olight PLX. It's got a really nice look to it. Matte black. Switches on the back. Floodlight, spotlight switches on the side. Very quality. We're going to put this on. So we're going to mount this on to one of the handguns. We'll carry it for a while. See how we really like it. Maybe carry it for a couple of weeks. Do some outside testing with it. And give you guys a better review. It's the first unboxing of this and just first look. It's pretty nice. Well built. Good job, Olight. Hopefully it holds up to the test. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you'd like to purchase one of these to try to review or mount to your own firearm at home, please click the link. We do get a commission on each one of these, and that just goes to help grow the channel, give us more quality products to review. Keep checking back. We'll have more products to review.